Professor Dave here. Let's learn how to use Passato Prossimo with essere.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
We learned about the Passato Prossimo with the verb avere, but sometimes we will need to do the same thing with another helping verb, essere. So let's learn how to do that now, as well as how to know which auxiliary verb to use. Just as before, the first part will be the present indicative of the auxiliary verb, and the second part will be the past participle of the main verb. And while transitive verbs use avere, intransitive verbs use essere. An example of such an intransitive verb would be andare, which, as we know, means to go. Let's go through the conjugation for andare in the Passato Prossimo now. Instead of the present tense io vado, which means I go, we will say io sono andato or andata, which means I have gone or I went, with the last letter depending on gender. Then we have tu sei andato or andata. Lui è andato or lei è andata. Noi siamo andati or andate. Voi siete andati or andate. Loro sono andati or andate. The reason that we have to modify the end of the past participle depending on gender and number is that in the Passato Prossimo, verbs conjugated with essere will have the past participle acting like an adjective. Luisa è entrata nel negozio. I bambini non sono ritornati. So this is a bit different from using Passato Prossimo with avere, where the participle is invariant and only the auxiliary verb changes. So how do we know when to use avere and when to use essere when constructing sentences with Passato Prossimo? The most common verbs requiring essere include verbs of movement, like andare, arrivare, entrare, partire, scappare, ritornare, uscire, and venire. However, the exceptions to this rule are passeggiare, camminare, and viaggiare. These will use avere. So we would say, siamo arrivati a casa. Perché lei è venuta qui? More verbs that require essere are verbs of being, like stare, rimanere, and durare. Noi siamo andati al cinema, ma la mamma è rimasta a casa. Situations where a verb indicates a change in the subject also require essere. These are verbs like diventare, ingrassare, dimagrire, nascere, morire, invecchiare, and crescere. Francesca è nata in Brasile. Noi siamo ingrassati in Italia. This happens for reflexive and reciprocal verbs as well. Io mi sono alzata alle 7. Noi ci siamo sposati a Roma. The verb piacere uses essere. Ti è piaciuto il film? Sì, ma mi è piaciuta di più l'opera. Then there are verbs describing weather, like piovere and nevicare. È piovuto tutto il pomeriggio. That's a lot of stuff to remember, so let's look at some examples. How would you say, last night we went to the theater? Ieri sera siamo andati a teatro. What time did you arrive? A che ora siete arrivati? And then what happened? Poi che cosa è successo? Don't worry, you're doing just fine, so let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.